the Forttuna Award for Businesswoman of the Year, and that goes to Onahira Rivas, CEO and founder of Florida's Cotton Clouds.
Well, thank you very much. I'm so grateful to be here tonight. I am deeply excited, inspired. Well, I just want to say that I'm really, truly grateful to be honored with this award, Business of the Year in the United States. I want to thank God first, because who makes all things possible. To my daughters, to my two daughters, that inspire me every day, to my parents who are watching me right now from Spain and Venezuela, and also I want to thank to the organizer, Haditi and Dr. Raul, the judges also, and the business leaders that are here today. Thank you for celebrating excellence and innovation, and I'm grateful, inspired, and excited for what comes next. Thank you, and keep celebrating and keep inspiring people around the world. God bless you and have a great night.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you for being here with us.